Hi everyone, today we are going to make stir-fry pork kidney. Here we have a pair of fresh pork kidney, some sliced ginger and a clove of minced garlic. We usually prefer bigger pieces, so we ask our butcher to cut it into 4 pieces and then slice the pattern. We call it flower pattern over here. Now rinse and soak them in the water. Clean them very well, one by one, and then discard the blood water. Repeat the cleaning and soaking process until the water is clear, usually about 3 to 4 times. Now use some salt to rub each of them. Usually there will be some discharge, so remove the blood water and of course wash it again and drain it very well. At this point, the kidney will not be as stiff as before. Now pour some boiling water over, mix well and drain. Heat some oil and fry the garlic. We will set the garlic aside first and slowly fry the ginger until it is fragrant. Now the ginger is done. Add in the kidney and turn the heat to the high heat. Add the fried garlic in and a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add in some salt and stir fry until it's done. There's no need to add the water. And now it is ready to be served. Thanks for watching.